Ever taken a good look at your house's exterior lately? Noticed any dirt, grime, or mold that's making it less appealing? It's a common issue, especially in the picturesque neighborhoods of Lawrenceville, Georgia. Over time, weathering, dirt, and mildew can take a toll on your home's exterior, diminishing its charm and curb appeal. But there's a solution that can tackle these issues head-on, restoring your home to its original glory. This solution is power washing. Power washing or pressure washing is an efficient method that uses high-pressure water spray to clean various surfaces around your property. It's like giving your home a fresh start. It removes dirt, grime, mold, mildew, and other impurities, leaving your home looking as good as new. So picture this. Your home, refreshed and revitalized, its original hues and textures shining through once again. Imagine your home, refreshed and revitalized, all thanks to the power of a good wash. Now you might be wondering, why power washing? What's so special about it? Well, the benefits are quite impressive. Power washing is a fantastic tool for exterior home restoration. Over time, your property can accumulate dirt, algae, and mold, which can dull its appearance. Power washing eradicates these impurities, restoring the original hues and textures of your surfaces. It's like giving your house a facelift without the cost of repainting or resurfacing. Furthermore, regular power washing helps maintain your home's value. By eliminating mold and mildew, you're preventing surfaces from becoming permanently damaged, which could require costly repairs. Additionally, power washing improves the health and safety of your environment by removing potential allergens like mold and algae. And let's not forget about curb appeal. If you're thinking of selling, a well-kept exterior can increase your prospects. Finally, modern power washing technology allows for effective, sustainable cleaning. So not only does power washing give your home a cleaner, more vibrant look, it also contributes to a healthier and safer living environment. But power washing isn't just about spraying water at high pressure. It requires skill, knowledge, and the right tools. Indeed, while it may seem simple enough to rent a power washer and do it yourself, there's more to it than meets the eye. Professional power washing services come with years of experience and specialized knowledge. They understand the delicate balance between removing stubborn stains and preserving the integrity of your surfaces. They're equipped with the right tools and know how to adjust the pressure and detergents to suit different surfaces, from delicate wood to sturdy concrete. This expertise can save you from inadvertent damage that can occur from improper technique or equipment misuse. Moreover, professionals can reach those hard-to-get areas and can complete the job efficiently, saving you time and energy. So, rather than risking your weekend and your home's exterior, why not leave it to the experts? In the end, it's about giving your home the care it deserves, so why not consider power washing services in Lawrenceville, Georgia? Make your home stand out today. When it comes to power washing services in Lawrenceville, Georgia, one name stands out: Jabez Power Washing. With years of experience under their belt, this team of professionals has mastered the art of power washing. They understand every nook and cranny of this task, ensuring that your home gets the care it needs and the shine it deserves. Jabez Power Washing offers exceptional services, backed by a commitment to customer satisfaction that's second to none. They use state-of-the-art equipment and eco-friendly cleaning solutions, ensuring not only a clean home, but a clean environment too. But what sets Jabez Power Washing apart? It's their willingness to go the extra mile. They aren't just about getting the job done, they're about getting it done right. Their team of professionals is always ready to tackle those hard-to-reach areas, to adjust their techniques according to your home's specific needs, all to ensure that your home looks its best. So why compromise on something as crucial as your home's exterior? Give Jabez Power Washing a call today at 404-964-2243 and experience the difference for yourself. Discover why they're the go-to choice for power washing services in Lawrenceville, Georgia. Remember, when it comes to your home, only the best will do.